Kitchen Remodeling Ideas and Design in Castro Valley, Construction Remodeling in Bay Area. Learn about kitchen remodeling ideas to increase the value of your home. Get tips on design, layout, appliances, and more. Are you thinking about remodeling your kitchen but don't know where to start? You're not alone. Remodeling a kitchen requires a lot of planning, research, and preparation, but the end results are totally worth it. With the right design elements and materials, you can create a modern kitchen that increases the overall value of your home. Let's look at some of the best tips for kitchen remodeling in Castro Valley. The most important step when remodeling your kitchen is to think about how you want it to look and function. Consider what layout will work best for your lifestyle needs. Do you want an open concept kitchen? Do you need more storage space? Think about what appliances you need and how they can be efficiently placed around the room. A great way to get inspiration is to look through magazines or take inspiration from online sources like Pinterest. The type of materials you choose can really make or break your renovation project. Think carefully about which materials will fit well with both the style of the house as well as your own personal aesthetic. For countertops, granite is always a popular choice because it's sturdy and easy to keep clean. However, quartz is becoming increasingly popular due to its durability and ability to resist stains. If you want something with more color options, consider recycled glass or concrete countertops. As far as flooring goes, hardwood is always classic while tile gives off a more modern vibe. Just make sure it's durable enough for foot traffic. Additionally, if eco-friendly living is important to you, then bamboo or cork could be great options too. Finally, think about which appliances would make sense for your space. The type of appliances can have a big impact on the overall look of your home. Stainless steel appliances are very trendy right now but could be too cold or industrial looking depending on what other materials were chosen for cabinets or floors, etc. If that's not quite what you're going for, then consider getting colorful appliances in shades like blue or green. These can really add some personality to the space. Additionally, don't forget about energy-efficient options that may also help lower energy bills in the long run. Remodeling your kitchen doesn't have to be overwhelming if you plan ahead and research different options before making any decisions. It's important to think about layout and design elements that work with both your personal style and functionality needs. This will help ensure that your new space is exactly what you envisioned when starting out on this project. Additionally, selecting quality materials such as granite countertops and energy-efficient appliances will increase both the value of your home as well as its appeal should you ever decide to sell down the line. With these tips in mind, start planning out the perfect kitchen renovation today. Thanks for watching.